What's up everybody, my name is Liz and welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. As you can already tell by the title of this video, today I am going to take you guys with me to a photo shoot and I'm gonna take you guys modeling. Sorry about the look that I have on my face right now. I have no makeup, haven't done my hair. This is literally how I wake up every morning. So yeah, I thought I'd show you guys my day and stuff and just take the process. I am currently in LA. I'm near the airport right now and honestly, it's very quiet. You would think that because it's near the airport there would be a lot of airplanes and like you can you could hear all the sounds and stuff, but it's very quiet. I will show you guys who my mama is and take you with me through the process. I guess she's gonna be helping me film and stuff. Alright, so before we go, I thought I would show you guys my outfit of the day. This is it. I know, no biggie, right? You think that it would be something cuter, but I need something that I can open up easily to get out of and stuff like that, and something comfortable, so that's why I'm like this. Doesn't mean that you can't be cute. Classically, of course, choker, because that's who I am. I'm not me without a choker, so yeah. And plaid shirt. This is actually my sister's. I wear it all the freaking time because I love it. I told her already to get me one, but she says she doesn't know where to get one, so yeah. Sandals. And that's basically it. Guys, this is my mama. Mama, say hi. Hi. Look at this. This is what's making it heavy, and this is hers. Oh my gosh. This one is not. This one is the one that is helping me carry it. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so heavy. This woman is strong as hell. Look at her. I can barely carry that. So, first thing that goes wrong on the day of a photo shoot. Because obviously you guys have to prepare for bad situations that happen during the day, because obviously when you're super busy, stuff happens. We were getting out and as soon as we got out, we have to go and we're already running late, and my mom left her shoes inside the room and we left the keys. I can't get in. So we're gonna have to wait. You look at her, she has a guilty look on her face. She feels so bad because I had to go over there and talk to the lady and she said she couldn't give it to me, and I'm like, okay, I'm running late already, like really late, and I'm gonna get there super late and that's one thing that can go wrong. Make sure to keep everything in your luggage. Alright guys, we are literally so close to getting there, like 2 minutes. We are 2 minutes away from the destination. The photo shoots are going to be taking place in this park that resemble the theme of spring, even though it's cold outside and stuff, so who knows? Technically this is it. I think you just passed it. You just passed it. Usually I don't eat. It's a terrible idea, guys. If you're gonna be modeling, eat something. Like have some snacks or something. Alright guys, so I've just been told that I will not be getting the pictures, unfortunately, because it's for a magazine for reals this time. So they did allow me to film, so I'm gonna be able to film everything in there. Well, my mom is gonna be able to film because I'm gonna be busy. They're gonna do my makeup after this model comes through and she finishes and everything, and then it's gonna be me, and I'll show you guys the look when I'm there. By the time that this video comes out, I believe it's already the magazine is already gonna be out and you guys are gonna be able to see the final product. Alright guys, so I did the stupidest thing ever and I did not do my hair because I thought they were gonna do our hair here, but apparently the lady told me that they're just gonna be doing the makeup, and I don't know, everybody's coming out, all the models are coming out with their hair done, and I'm kind of nervous because there's nowhere to plug like an iron here so that I can fix my hair. So I just put it up in a bun because it naturally just curls for me like that, so it's easy to do. So I just put it up in a bun so that I can try at least to make it look a little bit cute, and I'm just waiting right now on my turn to get the makeup done, and it's a big thing apparently, so I'm very nervous. I was normal like 2 seconds ago and then I talked to her and I got so nervous, like, okay, this is serious. Oh crap. I need to do a good job and I don't know if I will be doing a good job, and now I have to go tell her or ask her if I can go get food because my mom is hungry.
Oh, yes.
I don't want her to get upset at me or yell at me because I don't want to make a bad impression of myself, and I don't want to tell her because I don't want her to get mad at me because she's gonna say that it's very unprofessional, and I don't want that. But choose from the outfits that I have and go from there. I don't know what I want to wear for the first photo shoot. Like, what can I make it work that will be very nice and cute? Mom, what do you think? Out of all the ones that I showed you, what do you think?
I like all of them.
Oh God. Okay.
And they look beautiful anyway.
Aww, thanks, Mama. She said I'm gonna look beautiful either way. Alright guys, so I haven't been done with the hair yet. I guess they called me the sunflower girl, so I'm gonna be doing the sunflowers, and yeah, so I'm waiting to get my makeup done, and then I'm gonna get dressed and show you guys the final look. Alrighty, time for some quick modeling tips. Tip number 1. Basically what you have to do is give the photographer a lot to take pictures of. So you have to constantly keep moving and doing constant things. Change up your poses every once in a while. Create some lines, straighten up. Whatever you want to do with it, that's basically what is best for the photographer. So that is tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to understand what the feeling of the photo shoot is and what the focus is as well. Here in this video, I was told that the photo shoot was focused on the flowers, so most of my focus is around the flowers. If you can see here, I am putting my hands on my head, bringing the focus closer to my head and my hair so that the flowers can be seen and be right in focus of the camera. Even though my outfit is very dramatic and very showy, like the dress is very red, it's very out there, it really brings out the yellow and the reddish colors of the flowers, which also means that you have to coordinate very well with their outfit and what you're going to be doing. Now I am going to leave you guys alone for a little bit and just give you guys a quick montage of everything that is going on. Alright, tip number 3 is facial expressions. So as you can see here, I am doing several different changes. So I'm doing the surprise face, I am doing a happy face. Basically, the more facial expressions that you give, the more that the photographer will have so that they can do several different atmospheres for the photo shoot. Here's a perfect example of how I used the hands, the facial expressions, and everything on a close-up picture just to make it show that the focus of the photo shoot is the flowers and not myself, but yet the model still has to be adorned by them. So I am making that clear by doing all these facial expressions and positions of the arms and hands. Here is a very graceful clip of me descending into sitting down for this. So here it's leading to tip number 4, which is utilize your surroundings, where I am using the water, kicking it, making sure that it looks like I am having a lot of fun. Basically using it as a tool so that I can make the pictures look better. If there is water in your surroundings, it is a good idea to play with it, or even strategically, it is a good way to bounce some light into your face. As you can see here, the water reflects a lot of the light on my face and it brings out the colors of the flowers a lot more and makes it for a better picture. In these parts, I can pose cute, I can cross my legs, I can play with the water, I can touch the water with the hands, do several things just to make it seem like I am playing with the water a little bit, when in reality what I am doing is I'm relieving my feet from the stress and the pain that they had been going through for like the entire beginning of the shoot. Here I am very close to the edge, so if you are planning on doing stuff like this, make sure that you wear clothing that is not gonna get wet, or if you are planning on having something like that, you can see that my legs are exposed because it's a short dress, so use clothing that is shorter for photo shoot ideas or swimsuits and stuff like that. Never a long dress unless it is more of a formal photo shoot where you want to make it be underwater and stuff like that. Also in this part, I am grabbing the water and splashing it out. So I kind of splash it out and it goes all the way on top and it falls on my face. So you guys gotta watch out if you do want to do something like that and splash the water around with your hand or with your feet, that it won't get on top of you or the makeup or anything. Also, another example of using your surroundings, here I am using a light pole for this different photographer shoot. So first of all, shout out to that dress because it was so nice. It was not mine, but it was really nice, and apparently red is my color. Anyways, yes, I was utilizing my surroundings. I was using the pole, I was using the plants, I was incorporating all of the tips that I gave you guys before. I was leaning, I was doing facial expressions, I was using several skills in several ways just so that I could get enough pictures. Here we moved into the bridge that was right next to it so that I could use the sunlight and use the bridge to utilize all of the skills that I just showed you guys. Tip number 5 is confidence. A good confident attitude will lead to good pictures. However, it is complicated in the sense that a lot of people don't know what to do with how to move. They don't know how to get out of that comfort zone that really allows for a lot of people just to feel safer. But as you quickly notice that confidence changes with time, the attitude change during the photo shoot really affects the way that a photo shoot looks or the way that a picture looks, and it really does make a big difference when you feel confident or when you don't feel confident, because the camera can see everything. And last but certainly not least, tip number 6, have fun. Really just play around, have a lot of fun, because you're gonna be there for the longest time. It's gonna be hours and hours of taking pictures of you and changing and hairstyling, makeup changing, like everything is gonna be a long process, so it's better to just enjoy it and have fun. And that is all the tips that I have for you guys today. So I'm gonna leave you guys and I'm gonna just fast forward through this whole thing so that you guys can enjoy the behind the scenes with some music, and I will come back to you later. Alright guys, so we just finished the photo shoot. It was an agonizing like 5 hours. We got hot dogs and food. I mean, you know, like any good girl is supposed to eat right after a photo shoot because being skinny. That was the video of my day when I go modeling, and I just wanted to show you guys. So now we're gonna eat and then we're gonna head home, and yeah. So this is the end look of how the makeup artist ended up doing my makeup. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Comment down below what you would like to see next, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!